What's HostHavoc? HostHavoc is a web hosting service that specializes in game servers, voice servers, web hosting, and virtual private servers. It offers high-performance servers, low latency, DDoS protection, and 24/7 support. Some of the popular games that HostHavoc supports are Minecraft, Ark, Survival Evolved, Rust, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, and more. HostHavoc also has a user-friendly control panel, a flexible billing system, and a 72-hour money-back guarantee. HostHavoc is a web hosting service that offers various features and benefits for gamers and webmasters. However, like any other service, it also has some drawbacks and limitations. Here are some of the pros and cons of HostHavoc, based on the web search results I found. Pros: HostHavoc provides high-performance servers with SSD storage, powerful CPUs, and fast network connections. This ensures smooth gameplay, low latency, and minimal lag for online games. HostHavoc offers DDoS protection for all its servers, which prevents malicious attacks from disrupting or damaging your service. You can also choose from multiple locations around the world to host your server, which can improve your ping and accessibility. HostHavoc has a user-friendly and intuitive control panel, which allows you to manage your server settings, install mods, upload files, and more. You can also access your server console and logs from the panel. HostHavoc has a flexible billing system, which allows you to pay monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. You can also cancel your service at any time without any penalty or fee. HostHavoc also has a 72-hour money-back guarantee, which means you can get a full refund if you are not satisfied with your service within the first 72 hours. HostHavoc has a 24/7 support team, which is available via live chat, email, or ticket. The support team is friendly, helpful, and knowledgeable, and can assist you with any issues or questions you may have about your service. Cons: HostHavoc may not support some of the less popular or newer games that you may want to play or host. For example, HostHavoc does not currently offer servers for Among Us, Fall Guys, or Phasmophobia. HostHavoc may have some technical issues or glitches that may affect your service quality or availability. For example, some users have reported problems with server crashes, mod installation, file transfer, or billing errors. HostHavoc may have some customer service issues or delays that may affect your satisfaction or experience. For example, some users have complained about slow response times, rude staff, or unresolved tickets.